Hello everyone and welcome to our video series on Learn German for Beginners. Lektion 40. In the previous lesson we learned how to formulate sentences in imperative. In this lesson you'll be learning how to give directions, Wegbeschreibung, especially when you're in a city and looking for some place. I would advise you to watch our video on In der Stadt to know the names of various places. We'll also be looking at a few of them right now. All you have to do is listen and repeat. Das Rathaus, die Bücherei, das Krankenhaus, die Kirche, die Post, die Apotheke, der Bahnhof, der Tierpark, die Schule, die Bäckerei, das Reisebüro. And now we learned 3 very important terms that we require for giving directions. The first one is links. The second one is rechts. And the third one is geradeaus. Noch einmal links, rechts, geradeaus. And now we'll be looking at some structures where you can use these words. Gehen Sie geradeaus. If someone asks you for directions, this is how you answer. In the video, we'll be doing many such structures. We would advise you to learn them. Here's the next one. Biegen Sie links ab. Oder fahren Sie nach links. And if you know the name of the street, you can say, Gehen Sie links in die Goethestraße. Similarly, the next one. Biegen Sie rechts ab. Oder fahren Sie nach rechts. And if you know the name of the street, you can say, Gehen Sie rechts in die Schillerstraße. You might have noticed that all these sentences are in imperative. If you want to revise imperative, you can watch our video on the same. The link can be found below. Now let's move on to the next one. Gehen Sie bis zur Kreuzung. When you have to pass by something, you would say, Gehen Sie an der Kirche vorbei. Do remember, if the article of the place is die, you would say an der. For example, an der Kirche. If the article is der or das, it will change to am. Am Rathaus vorbei. Am Supermarkt vorbei. Let's move on to the next one. Nehmen Sie die zweite Straße links. Similarly, nehmen Sie die zweite Straße rechts. You can also say dritte Straße, vierte Straße, etc. And the next one is Überqueren Sie an der Ampel. If you have to go along a street, you would say Gehen Sie die Straße entlang. You can also use the name of the street. And when you are at a roundabout, nehmen Sie die erste Ausfahrt im Kreisverkehr. Now let's do some structures which will tell us about the position of some places. The first one is Die Kirche ist an der Ecke. Die Bank ist dem Rathaus gegenüber. If you are wondering what the words gegenüber, an, entlang, etc. mean, well, they are all prepositions. If you want to learn prepositions, you can watch our videos for accusative prepositions and dative prepositions. The links are given below. If something is located very far away, you can say, nehmen Sie am besten die U-Bahn oder den Bus. Now let's see how to use these structures in practical life. Here is how you ask. Entschuldigung, wie komme ich zum Hauptbahnhof? Why we are using zum is explained in the next slide. Let's look at the answer. Das ist ganz einfach. Nehmen Sie die erste Straße links und dann gehen Sie bis zur Kreuzung. Der Hauptbahnhof ist an der Ecke. After someone has helped you, you should say Danke or Vielen Dank. Usually one replies with Bitte. So let's see once again. You can ask, wie komme ich oder wie weit ist es zum oder zur. The use of the preposition depends on the article of the place. With places that have an article der or das, you would say zum. Wie komme ich zum Bahnhof oder zum Rathaus oder zum Tierpark? With places that have an article die, you would say, wie komme ich zur Apotheke oder zur Bäckerei oder zur Bank? Let's look at another example. Entschuldigen Sie, wie weit ist es zum Rathaus? Now, since the article for Rathaus is das, you would say zum Rathaus. The answer in this case is, das ist ganz in der Nähe. Sie können 10 Minuten zu Fuß laufen. Here's another question. Entschuldigen Sie, wissen Sie, ob es in der Nähe ein Restaurant ist? Ja, es ist der Kirche gegenüber. Let's look at another conversation. Entschuldigen Sie bitte, wie komme ich zum Alexanderplatz? Da nehmen Sie am besten den Bus oder die U-Bahn. Here is another example. Entschuldigen Sie bitte, wo finde ich hier eine Apotheke? And if you by chance don't know the way, you can say, es tut mir leid, ich weiß es leider auch nicht. So these were a few examples of how to formulate questions and answers when you're asking for directions. Try to formulate some of your own. If you like this channel and regularly benefit from the free content, then the workbook is a great way to support while also improving your German. You'll find the link to the book at the very top of the description. Thank you for supporting and your journey of learning German. We wish you all the best. If you liked this video and want more of these, do let us know in the comments. Become a member today and gain access to extra content for this video and much more. You can also get a free worksheet by joining our Patreon page. Danke! Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you still haven't. You can click on the bell to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen!